Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is X and Y are classmates, but their ages differ by 3 years. X mother M is thrice as old as X and Y is twice as old as his sister S. The ages of M and S differ by 44. Find the age of X. Let present age of X be X years and present age of Y be Y years. So from given, as their ages differ by 3, so X minus Y is 3. This is from given. Also we have given that X mother M is thrice as old as X, that is present age of mother M is 3 into present age of X, that is 3 into X, and Y is twice as old as his sister S, that is present age of sister S equals to from this. Firstly, we can write present age of Y equals to 2 into present age of sister S. So from this, present age of sister S is present age of Y, that is Y, divided by 2 years. So ages of mother and sister differ by 44 can be represented as 3x minus y by 2 equals to 44, which implies 6x minus y equals to 88. Suppose this is equation number 2. Now to find the present age of X, solve equation number 1 and 2. Hence, solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we get 5x equals to 85, that is x equals to 85 by 5 means 17 years. Hence, present age of X is 17 years. Hence, present age of X is 17 years. And from available options, we have option D as 17 years.